Are you at the airport?
Yes, I am here.
Is the airport big?
Yes, very big.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, right here.
Is your passport ready?
Yes, it is.
Is your passport ready?
Yes, one bag.
Do you have a suitcase?
Yes, one suitcase.
Is it heavy?
No, not heavy.
Where is check-in?
It is over there.
Is the line long?
Yes, a little long.
Do you have a boarding pass?
Yes, I have it.
What is your gate?
My gate is A32.
Where is gate A32?
It is to the right.
Do you need help?
No, thank you.
Is this your first flight?
No, not first.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Where are you going?
I am going to Tokyo.
Is Tokyo far?
Yes, quite far.
How long is the flight?
About 3 hours.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I love it.
Is the plane big?
Yes, very big.
Where is security check?
It is straight ahead.
Do you have liquids?
No, I do not.
Is security fast?
Yes, quite fast.
Do you have a backpack?
Yes, on my back.
Is it heavy?
No, very light.
Where is the departure board?
It is up there.
Can you read it?
Yes, I can.
What time is boarding?
Boarding is at 14:30.
Is it soon?
Yes, very soon.
Do you need water?
Yes, a little.
Where is a shop?
It is near gate.
Is it open?
Yes, it is.
Do you have money?
Yes, some money.
Do you have local currency?
No, not yet.
Where is the exchange?
Near the entrance.
Is it expensive?
A little expensive.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Is English useful here?
Yes, very useful.
Do you have headphones?
Yes, in my bag.
Is your phone charged?
Yes, fully charged.
Do you have a charger?
Yes, I do.
Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, there is.
What is the password?
It is on the sign.
Are you traveling alone?
No, with a friend.
Is your friend here?
Yes, right here.
Are you both ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Do you have snacks?
Yes, a few snacks.
Is the seat good?
Yes, window seat.
Do you like window seats?
Yes, very much.
Is it cold on planes?
Sometimes a little cold.
Do you have a jacket?
Yes, in my bag.
Are you checking in bags?
Yes, one bag.
Is the bag under limit?
Yes, it is fine.
Did you pack yourself?
Yes, I did.
Is everything in order?
Yes, all good.
Do you need a trolley?
No, I am fine.
Where is the toilet?
It is over there.
Is it clean?
Yes, very clean.
Are you nervous?
No, not at all.
Is this flight direct?
Yes, no stops.
Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I do.
Is your hotel booked?
Yes, all booked.
Are you staying long?
Just 1 week.
Is it a vacation?
Yes, a short vacation.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, at arrival.
Is taxi expensive?
A little expensive.
Do you know the address?
Yes, I have it.
Is the weather good there?
Yes, sunny and warm.
Did you pack sunscreen?
Yes, I did.
Do you have a map?
Yes, on my phone.
Is your phone working?
Yes, it works fine.
Do you have a SIM card?
Yes, international SIM.
Is roaming expensive?
Yes, quite expensive.
Do you use Wi-Fi?
Yes, mostly Wi-Fi.
Are you ready to board?
Yes, totally ready.
Is the gate open?
Yes, just opened.
Do you need to run?
No, we have time.
Is your friend ready?
Yes, he is ready.
Do you have everything?
Yes, I think so.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, double-checked.
Is your passport safe?
Yes, in my pocket.
Do you feel good?
Yes, I feel great.
Is this a good trip?
Yes, the best trip.
Will you take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Will you enjoy it?
Yes, absolutely yes.
Are you a good traveler?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you travel often?
Yes, twice a year.
Is traveling fun?
Yes, very fun.
Do you recommend traveling?
Yes, always travel more.
Are you boarding now?
Yes, let us go.